Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Sentry Performance Monitoring, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, enter the Sentry website URL. Press enter to navigate to the Sentry homepage. Once the page loads, locate the login button, typically found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button. You will now see the login form. If you have an account, enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. If you prefer, you can click on the checkbox to remember your login details for future sessions. Once you've filled in your credentials, click the login button at the bottom of the form. If your details are correct, you will be redirected to your Sentry dashboard. In case you forget your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link. This will take you to a password recovery page. Enter your email address on this page and click Send Recovery Email. Check your email inbox for a message from Sentry and follow the instructions provided. After resetting your password, return to the login page to log in with your new details. If you encounter any issues logging in, ensure your internet connection is stable. Verify that you are using the correct email and password. If problems persist, consider clearing your browser cache and cookies before trying again. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the Sentry interface. Explore your projects and monitor performance metrics effectively. You're all set to utilize Sentry for your performance monitoring needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.